connectivity, autonomous driving, and software-defined vehicles. The automotive world is rapidly evolving. Introducing proteanTecs RTSM, a real-time safety monitoring application for automotive electronics. With built-in fault monitoring, it serves as a new safety layer for high-performance ECUs. RTSM allows mission-critical systems to stay always on while receiving faster and reliable alerts before faults become errors. Featuring an innovative approach that provides both predictive and prescriptive maintenance, RTSM paves the way to automotive functional safety. Leveraging unique deep data of on-chip agents, our algorithms automatically identify faults and issue warning signals accordingly. A predictive, algorithm-based performance index grades the issue severity based on thresholds, affected areas, logic, power domains, and previous events. For enhanced prescriptive maintenance, the solution allows real-time operational adjustments to be made by the system in order to avoid failures. RTSM augments the best-in-class safety diagnostic methods, such as LBIST, by monitoring under actual workloads and without interrupting normal operation, at a real-time resolution and with high diagnostic coverage. proteanTecs RTSM, driving the path to zero failures. Contact us for a live demo.